Comprehensive analysis. Allium vegetables, health impacts, and anti-cancer properties. Introduction to allium vegetables and bioactive profiles. The genus Allium, which encompasses garlic, Allium sativum, onions, Allium cepa, shallots, leeks, and chives, has been utilized for millennia not merely as culinary flavoring agents, but as potent medicinal therapeutics. Across traditional medical frameworks, Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and contemporary nutritional science, these plants are recognized for their dense concentrations of bioactive organosulfur compounds, flavonoids, and essential micronutrients. When an allium bulb is crushed, chopped, or chewed, cellular disruption occurs, releasing the enzyme alliinase, which rapidly converts flavorless amino acid sulfoxides, such as alliin, into biologically active thiosulfonates, such as allicin in garlic. These compounds, along with volatile oils and water-soluble peptides, drive the profound biochemical interactions observed within human physiological systems. Himalayan snow mountain garlic. Biochemical mechanisms. Himalayan snow mountain garlic, commonly referred to as solo garlic or ekpothi lawson, grows in extreme high-altitude environments, frequently above 18,000 feet, in the Himalayan range. Plant physiology in such high-stress ecosystems, characterized by intense ultraviolet radiation, low atmospheric pressure, and severe cold, triggers a protective defense mechanism known as secondary metabolite accumulation. 1. Amplified allicin and thiosulfonates. While common multi-clove garlic yields substantial allicin, high-altitude solo garlic often demonstrates heightened concentrations of sulfur precursors. Allicin exhibits strong antimicrobial, antifungal, and lipid-modulating properties. It acts as a natural inhibitor of HMG-CoA reductase, the rate-limiting enzyme in hepatic cholesterol biosynthesis, assisting in the reduction of total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein (LDL) levels. 2. Presence of unique sulfur derivatives, S-methylcysteine. Specialized growing conditions facilitate the synthesis of unique alkyl cysteine sulfoxides, including S-methylcysteine, SMC, and S-allylcysteine, SAC. SMC is particularly notable for its role in carbohydrate metabolism. Glycemic control. It assists in enhancing insulin sensitivity and promoting glucose uptake in peripheral tissues. Hepatic protection. SMC and associated antioxidants support phase 2 liver detoxification enzymes, such as glutathione S-transferase, shielding hepatocytes from toxin-induced lipid peroxidation and reducing systemic inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP. 3. Antioxidant density, polyphenol and flavonoids. To counteract extreme oxidative stress from UV radiation, high-altitude garlic synthesizes elevated levels of polyphenolic flavonoids, such as quercetin and camphorol. These molecules scavenge reactive oxygen species, ROS, protect cellular membranes, mitigate joint inflammation, and support immune resilience. The biochemical roles of common onions and garlic in human health. Regular incorporation of onions and garlic into daily culinary practices provides systemic physiological support across multiple organ systems. Cardiovascular and vascular protection. Blood pressure regulation. Organosulfur compounds stimulate endothelial nitric oxide synthase, ENOS, leading to vasodilation and subsequent reduction in systemic blood pressure. Antiplatelet aggregation. A gene and related compounds found in garlic inhibit platelet aggregation, lowering the risk of thrombotic events and supporting overall microvascular flow. 2. Gastrointestinal microbiome and prebiotic action. Onions are exceptionally rich in histoologous saccharides, FOS, and inulin, which serve as non-digestible prebiotic fibers.
Garlic
These
and
fibers
onion, members of the
transit
allium
intact to the
family,
colon,
they activate
where they're
detox enzymes
selectively
in the liver
fermented by
and slow
beneficial
tumor growth.
commensal
From a gut
bacteria,
microbiome
by
perspective, they feed
phytobacteria
healthy gut
and
bacteria and
lactobacilli.
improve immune
A
signaling. Crush
robust
garlic and let
microbiome
it rest 10
enhances
minutes before
short-chain
cooking.
fatty
That is when
acid,
allicin, the
SCFA,
potent anti-cancer
production,
compound,
such
forms.
as
Comment what
butyrate,
other yes no foods I
maintaining
should cover
gut
and
barrier
follow me for more.
integrity, reducing systemic low-grade inflammation, and supporting gut-mediated immunity. 3. Detoxification pathways. The liver relies heavily on sulfur donor molecules to execute biotransformation, converting lipid-soluble toxins into water-soluble compounds for renal or biliary excretion. The high sulfur content of onions and garlic directly supports the synthesis of glutathione, the body's master endogenous antioxidant and detoxifier. Cancer prevention and anti-carcinogenic mechanisms. Epidemiological studies, including reports from the National Cancer Institute, NCI, and prospective cohort analyses, consistently indicate an inverse correlation between the frequent consumption of allium vegetables and the incidence of several human malignancies, particularly cancers of the gastrointestinal tract, stomach, colorectal, and esophageal. 1. Inhibition of nitrosamine formation. Gastric cancer is frequently linked to dietary exposure to N-nitroso compounds and nitrates converted by bacterial action in the stomach. Organosulfur compounds present in garlic and onions competitively inhibit the bacterial nitrate reductases responsible for forming these carcinogenic nitrosamines. 2. Induction of apoptosis, programmed cell death. Bioactive constituents such as diallyl sulfide, DS, diallyl disulfide, DADS, and diallyl trisulfide,
क्या आपने कभी ढाबा स्टाइल मसाला डाले खाया है? इंस्टेंटली बन जाता है। सबसे पहले लहसुन को छील के वॉश कर लें। हम इसे मीडियम आंच पे फ्राई करेंगे। बहुत आंच धीमी नहीं होनी चाहिए और बहुत तेज भी नहीं होनी चाहिए। हम चाहते हैं कि गार्लिक सॉफ्ट हो जाए। इसे एक बोल में ट्रांसफर करेंगे। हम इस पे डालेंगे नमक, काला नमक, थोड़ी सी रेड चिली पाउडर, चाट मसाला एंड लॉट्स ऑफ नींबू। ये सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स करें और एंजॉय।
2. Suppressing nuclear factor kappa B, NF$/kappa B, a key transcription factor involved in tumor cell proliferation, survival, and inflammation. 3. Suppression of phase 1 and activation of phase 2 enzymes. Chemical carcinogenesis often requires metabolic activation by cytochrome P450 enzymes, phase 1. Organosulfur compounds inhibit specific phase 1 enzymes, such as CYP2E1, while robustly inducing phase 2 detoxification enzymes. This dual action neutralizes reactive electrophiles before they can bind to and damage cellular DNA. 4. Modulation of immune surveillance and antimicrobial defense. Chronic infections, such as Helicobacter pylori colonization of the gastric mucosa, are major risk factors for gastric malignancies. The broad-spectrum antimicrobial activity of allicin helps suppress pathogenic bacterial overgrowth, creating an unfavorable environment for chronic inflammatory lesions that can progress to dysplasia.